I've been a Power BI developer for the last 4 years, and one of the most common questions I get is, how do you stay updated with the latest in Power BI? Well, today I'm going to share the top YouTube channels I follow to keep myself updated in Power BI. Number 1. Microsoft Power BI channel. This is the official channel for Power BI, and it's a must-subscribe for anyone serious about Power BI. They post their monthly updates here, covering new features, improvements, and tips. Recently, they've also started sharing updates about Microsoft Fabric, which is another fantastic tool for data analytics. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure you watch every video from this channel. Number 2. GuianaCube. This is hands down one of the best channels for learning Power BI in a fun and engaging way. The hosts, Adam and Patrick, are not only super knowledgeable but also hilarious. They break down complex topics into easy-to-understand videos, making it perfect for both beginners and advanced users. If you're looking for a mix of education and entertainment, this is the channel for you. Number 3. Power BI Tips. If you're a fan of podcasts, you'll love Power BI Tips. This channel features 3 experts who regularly host live broadcasts where they discuss the latest trends, updates, and best practices in Power BI. It's like having a Power BI podcast on YouTube. So, if you enjoy learning through conversations and live Q&A sessions, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Number 4. Pawan Lalwani. For all the beginners out there, Pawan Lalwani's channel is a goldmine. Pawan explains every concept in simple language and uses easy-to-follow examples. Whether you're just starting out or need a refresher on the basics, this channel is a fantastic resource. Trust me, you'll thank me later for this recommendation. Number 5. Power BI News. Now, for a little shameless self-promotion, I recently started my own channel called Power BI News. As a Power BI developer, I wanted to create a space where I could share tips, tricks, and updates about Power BI. If you're looking for a channel that's 100% focused on Power BI, go ahead and subscribe. I'd love to have you join the community. So those are my top picks for YouTube channels to stay updated with Power BI. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, these channels have something for everyone. If you know of any other great Power BI channels, drop a comment below and I'll add them to the list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.